Hello, and welcome to Create With Us. My name is Jacqueline, and I'm the Community Science Outreach Coordinator for the Pacific Grove Museum of Natural History. This week on Create With Us, we are going to be joined by Becca Hoskins, a recent science illustration graduate from CSU Monterey Bay. Today, she's going to be teaching us 3 quick and simple field drawing techniques that we can use in our nature journal. All you're going to need for today's activity is a piece of paper and a pencil. Let's get started.
My name is Becca Hoskins, and I'm a 2020 graduate of the Science Illustration Program at California State University at Monterey Bay. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to draw that you can use anytime, anywhere. I like to use these techniques when I'm drawing something complicated, or when I'm field sketching and want to draw something quickly. If your subject is flat, you can trace it. This is helpful for drawing leaves with complicated edges like I'm doing here. I've also used this technique for feathers and shells with ruffled edges. Another useful technique is drawing the silhouette of your subject. It can be helpful to fill in the general shape and add on the details bit by bit. I like to think of it like adding clay to a sculpture. This method is especially fun to use with paint, ink, or big markers. I did it with a pencil, so I added in a few details for fun, but it's okay to have a blobby sketchbook. The last technique I'll use in this video is to draw the negative space around your subject. This one is also fun to use with thicker materials like paint or ink. Start by filling in the space around the general shape of the subject. Then carve details out of the shape, like you're carving away clay from a sculpture. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.